paper is rectangle shape, we will make square. We need some bamboo. Let's go! There is a bamboo tree. We will go.
Bobby wanted a mini size kite, as obviously kids like it that way. So instead of buying one, we decided to make it on our own. I used to make kites in my childhood, so it was a nostalgic experience too. Aarya wanted to make it on her own as she didn't want to be just onlooker. She likes to take initiative, which is a good thing at this age. So except age restricted things, everything was done by Bobby. And if kids create something on their own, it helps them in building confidence. This is called activity based learning, which we have inculcated in our homeschooling journey.
There is a bamboo. Now let's go to home. We will cut bamboo sticks. Now I will put some glue. Now I will stick it. Aarya.
Bobby, stick the tape here. Half. Okay?
Here, no?
Huh. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Stick it around. Good. Stick one more here. That's nice.
मला किती उडवायची?
Hmm.
You will see. This is ready. Let's go.
आगे तो गुतडा झालाय सोना. थांबा 2 मिनिटं. मागे ये पळ. यू. थांब.
आमची पतंग फुलतीये आणि आम्ही आता अजून शिपते राहू. आमची शिपटीच पडली. आता आम्ही उडवणार आहे. म्हणजे पप्पांनी शिफ्टीवर लावली आहे. मग पतंग नाही उडत नव्हती उडत, आता उडते गबू. पप्पी रेडी आहे का?
हो.
1 2 3 उडवा.
सर बॉबी सर दोर
उडाली आमची पतंग. आमची पतंग उडाली. आमची पतंग उडाली. आता आमची पतंग उडाली. बघा मी माझी पतंग बनवली आणि ती उडली पण.